It's going to be a quick tutorial on how to create a new event in your existing events tab. First, you want to go into content, then you'll locate your events tab. Now this could be named several different things. It can be content, events. If you want to find out which tab is your events tab, you can go to functionality. Look here, the name of the tab that might say schedule or upcoming or things of that nature. This one does say events, and it's the events tab V2. We do recommend always using the events tab version 2, not the initial. This gives you more flexibility in user interaction. So back over to content, click on events, and here you'll have a couple of different options. You can add a single event or a reoccurring. For this tutorial, we're going to look at the single event. So you click on add a single event, and this gives you a list of different things that we're going to be changing or updating. Now if you want to change the background and font, you can do that in the two color options here. So if we want to just click in here and we want to change that background, we can do that, and then we could click update colors here, and that would change the background. Let's get that back over to a blue here, something a little more pleasing. There we go. So this is a nice blue with a white text. So the background shows what the color of each of these are. And when you choose update, that changes the color. Now first option here is to choose an event header. So you just choose file, and then you navigate to the folder where your images are located. There you go. Let's see. Alright, so sorry about that. Found a folder here that has some event headers in it, possibly. There we go. So here we have a nice little header that we can throw in this event. We want to choose the date. So for simplicity, we'll just choose next Saturday. And we'll choose the time. Now the time is done here in 24-hour time, so you don't have to choose an AM, PM option. So if this is going to start at 3 o'clock, so we choose 15. It's going to run through the same day, and it's going to go through, let's say, 9 o'clock. I'm going to name the event. And then we can add in this description here. So this can be copy and pasted out of your website if you've got an event on a website you're going to go, or you can type the information in this box here. Now you can also add images. Here you can go and you can upload images. You can choose them from within on your computer. So if you wanted to embed an image from anywhere within your computer, you can take that, and I'm not going to put an image in there, just showing you that the uploader can take those images. They'll place them in a library here for you, and you can upload those images here. You can also click the HTML tab here, and this will give the ability to paste any HTML code. So if you currently have code, or if you've got an event registration page that you can frame, that's iframed on your site, you can frame that in here. And if you want some more information about that, please shoot an email to support@mobilewisemedia.com, and we'll have a HTML video tutorial coming soon. So this is basically the information on how you add a new event. Now when we do this, it's going to ask to crop that image that we're going to be using here. So I'm going to say yes to that. Now here it's a little small, so we're just going to make this guy a little bit bigger. Bring it right up there so it's right within this box. And we're going to save that image, and now we've got the new event right down here. So if we go into the preview, and we go into events, we've got this new event, and there we go. There is that new event in the system. So let me jump right back in there real quick. Now we can take that new event, we can edit it here. We can make this event inactive. So we can just click this off and we can save the changes. Now this becomes gray, probably at the bottom of the list here. Where are we at? Lost it. There it is. It went to the bottom of the list. So this new event is now gray and it's inactive. So you can activate and reactivate the event. So if you have built in a nice content-filled event and it comes and it goes every month, every week, every 4 months, whatever, you don't have to delete that tab. You can just inactivate it and then reactivate it right within the edit option. So you can come in here and say edit. I want to activate this again. Click save. Now that'll pop right back up. And it's now blue, so it is an active event. Since this event does not belong in this app and we are operating in a live app, I'm going to go ahead and delete this event. Just hit the delete key and away it goes. So that is how you create a new event in the Moby Builder. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about events, as mentioned before, please send an email to support@mobilewisemedia.com.